The volume of the parallelopiped having coterminous edges I bar plus j bar plus k bar, I minus j bar, I bar minus j bar, and I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar. In these three vectors, here parallelopiped coterminous edges. Now find the volume. Let in these given three vectors considered a bar, b bar and c bar. Volume of the parallelopiped formulae here a bar, b bar, c bar. Determination of vector a bar coefficients. Write in this first row 1, 1, 1. Next that vector b bar coefficients. Write in that second row 1 minus 1 0. And the c bar coefficients write in that third row 1 2 minus 1. So here using the method by solving the solution determination method 1 into accept this row in this column using AD minus BC 1 minus 0 minus 1 into accept this row in this column using AD minus BC minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 3 5 cubic units. Okay, thank you.